We've made our business successful by focusing one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. Our staff was really excited to hear about the great job we've done. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in the highest quality. It's our guarantee. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.